Our python leather shoes are very popular among women's footwear. It is a type of leather that stands out for its flexibility and its variations in color and pattern. It is certainly a leather that stands out for its shine and announces elegance. In today's video, we will explain a few guidelines you should follow for the care of this type of leather. We will demonstrate with one of our Carmina riding inspired boots, specifically a women's job pull boot in a lovely Adria color assembled on our stylish Julia last. Let's start by opening the buckles of the boot and inserting the corresponding size of the shoe tree. This will help us keep the shape of the shoe firm, making the task of cleaning the shoe much easier. Next, we will brush in the direction of the scales to remove the dust from the boot. Once the shoe is clean, let's proceed in applying the cream. Since we are working with python leather, which is a non-porous type, we will use our colorless cordovan cream. Apply the product gently with a clean chamois or cotton cloth, also following the direction of the scales. Let the shoe dry completely and repeat the same process on the other shoe. Python leather already has a nice shine, but we can give it an extra touch of shine by applying a little bit of colorless wax on the toe and at the bottom of the heel area. We will apply it with the same chamois or cotton cloth that we used previously, as always following the direction of the scales. Let it dry completely and then polish it out with a brush to get that final shine. This care routine is intended to be done every week or fortnight, depending on the frequency of use. However, even if you don't wear your shoes regularly, we recommend that you undertake the care routine to keep the leather moisturized and in its best condition. Our extra tips for happy shoes. Remember to put on the shoes on shoe trees during storage. This will prevent the leather from deforming and will also help prevent wrinkles in the toe or heel area. The shoe tree will also absorb moisture, preventing the shoe from cracking and breaking on the inside. Be sure to regularly undertake a shoe care routine. This will help keep the shoe in good shape and help prevent any damage or minor scuffs from becoming permanent. Use a shoe horn. This will prevent wrinkles on the back of the shoe caused by the action of putting on the shoes. Always allow products to dry completely. This ensures that creams will soften and moisturize, and shoe polishes will give their best result. Always work in thin layers. It is better to apply 2 thin layers of product than 1 thick layer. This ensures the shoe will not take too long to dry and the covering will be uniform. These have been today's tips. Which leather type are you interested in watching how to care for next? For more content, subscribe and activate the notification bell so you can keep up to date with the news on our channel.